We're on the way to Rhino Dyno. And this guy right here. My guy. So I'm about to race my guy Rhino to the shop. I'm about to pull up soon. Today is the day I get dyno, guys. But yeah, man. We on our way. Oh, we marched all the way out to Nova. We got 10 more minutes. I'm glad he was running late because I was running late. But I don't know if I put it up on the screen last time. I made 343 or 344 if you want to round it up. Wheel horsepower. So hopefully we make at least 400 this time. I'm gonna tap in with y'all boys when we're here. Let me give y'all boys a little pull. Everything, but I done seen almost everything here. Back again with my guy Rhino. What up? What's going on? I gotta take this grill off. It's ugly. Let me open the hood up so I can cool her down. Man, he got me signing a waiver again. I'm scared this time because you know we supposed to get a stall or something. We supposed to get a stall or something when you get a cameo shit. So just know I might break down this time for real. Knocking on wood. Ain't no wood around this motherfucker. So pray for your boy. This motherfucking jersey sideways all the way on my neck. This motherfucking tank top I bought big as hell. Let's take a look at some of these cars they got here, man. Beautiful GT500. I'm not sure exactly what year this is. What year GT500 is this? Huh? What year GT500 is this?
By the body, I would say
probably like
68, 69.
Yeah, I was gonna say 69 for sure.
Somewhere in there.
Damn. Bit crazy ass blower on there. Man. That shit crazy. Bro, that should be pulling up. Waiting on G, my nigga Mike to pull up. Trying to make sure they can find me. Trying to see if I'm gonna see them go past or not. Hey. Right, bro. Niggas follow my location. You probably went too far, just like I did. It probably just typed in 9 Mile instead of the actual address. Yeah, just come back. Come back. If you just went over the train tracks, come back. Hold on, I'm about to walk to the end so you can see me. But just follow my loc. It should be a big ass brown building. Niggas done finally pulled up. Yeah, let me in. Go ahead. Yop this bitch. All right, they here. They here. They couldn't find it either. Damn, man. It's kind of scary, bro. Cause I don't know how much horsepower this shit added. Some people say 60 at least. How much I think the cam added, bro?
It was 412.
How much you think the cam added?
412.
Oh, wait, how much was it the last time? 3?
It was 3. It was 3. I guess you can round it up to 344. I guess.
I'm still sticking with 4.
I mean, I overestimated last time. Shit, I was like 360, 3 something. This shit was 340.
It gotta add at least 60 horsepower. So I say 400 at least.
At least.
It better be.
But yeah, man, we about to get this going. We about to pull it up there. Oh yeah, all that engine heat, and then finally left the engine bay. These for sure be soaking up the heat like a motherfucker. Damn. Which one want to stay? About the I'm mainly scared about the stall shit, just because I don't know, but some motherfuckers be running like 700 horsepower on a stock transmission and shit.
You ain't gotta worry about that, not yet. Well, nah, you should be straight.
Yeah, and before anybody asks, is the fans up there?
We got fans, bro. We had fans last time, but we got a fan. Just to show y'all, it's 2 fans, bro. It's 2 fans. All right, hold this real quick. I gotta record on my phone. Stage what? Stage 2? Stage 2 cam.
I ain't got E85 yet, but that's coming soon. 391 diff, 392 headers, catless, scat exhaust, cold air intake, stage 2 cam, scat oil pump, new lifters, you know what I mean? Basically a bunch of brand new shit. I got 5W30 in here instead of 5W20 now. I'm really scared that the number's gonna be lower than I anticipate. But you know, these being heavy ass cars, they don't make a lot of power. You gotta put a lot of money into these. Shit ton of money. Next time I do something, it's probably gonna be forced induction. Procharge for sure. It sounds better. I seen that. I seen that. Straight down.
Alright, go ahead, same thing, 4th gear.
We at 25. cool Dre around. But anyways, man, that's a little disappointing. Now it's time to go to LS's because at this point, it's too much money and not a lot of game. Or I just need to start shaving up some pounds off this bitch. Take out back seats and shit. But I don't know. I just walked the 6'4" yesterday. But you know my 1 and 2, my first and second gear, I got a drag diff. Gotta think about it. So my first and second gear hit harder than my third and fourth and fifth. Well, yeah, when soon as it gets to the third, my shit be bugging out. I guess that's really just like 5-speed shit. I'll take these off, bro. I can't even see. But yeah, that's more like 5-speed shit. So once you get to third gear, it might seem like you getting less power. Last time I did make more power with my hood open too. Last time I did make more power when my hood was open.
Same thing as last time. That's what you can.
All right. That motherfucker it be going though. No, that's when you take your battery off. When I take my battery off, it do that. Yeah. All right, man. So basically, how I just understood it, how bro just made me understood it, is that the red on the graph, how it's wavy like that, is bad. And how it drop off at the end. Hopefully, I ain't fucking it. But yeah, man. I got 3 more horsepower out that last pull, so yeah, I get it. I'll take one. 375 it is. I'll take it. Fuck it. I only need 25 more to get to that 4. An E85 kid to do that. He said to get a Hellcat pump. Hellcat. Mopar Hellcat pump, and then the little flex kit. Just in case like I'm not around E85, I can put 93 in here. So? Oh, I don't know. I thought you said it was $600. Oh. Cause then if I do 85 and then I procharge this bitch, and it's already on E85. No, it ain't gonna sound like that. It's gonna sound like. Anyways, man, that wraps it up. But hopefully I didn't fuck nothing up. I'm scared. I'm very scared to drive this motherfucker home. 40 minutes, I'm about to let this motherfucker cool down for a second. But it's been great doing another video for you guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, share this with your friends. I'm pretty sure they want to see something cool like this. Thank you for the 1,000 subscribers, for sure. We rolling on 1,100 right now. And then road to 10K is around, for sure. All right, man. It's the next day, and I'm damn near about to end this shit. So yeah, man. I'm about to show y'all how much I made. Show y'all. Max is 375 wheel. So I made 375 wheel horsepower, and if you do the calculations on that, average around probably like 440, 450 horsepower, somewhere around there. So yeah, man, I done added damn near 100 horsepower to this motherfucker. I'm still missing the side skirts. I'm about to go pick those up today. But yeah, man, I was expecting a little bit more power, but I guess the cam I got was kind of small, and I probably should have got a Texas speed or some shit instead of the comp cam. But I'm not tripping, bro. I still fuck with my I still fuck with the outcome of my cam. Shit, can't nobody beat me. I done walk 6'4", walk 5'7". Shit, I'm keeping up with 6'4s. Hellcat, shit, all I gotta do is throw a blow on here. Don't worry, procharge, turbo, or something come next. Well, I ain't next, but something coming soon. Probably next summer. I don't know. You never know. But yeah, man, I'm trying to line up with some shit to see, like, see how fast my shit actually is. But you know, people be scared to get embarrassed and shit. But yeah, man, shout out to my guy Rhino Dyno. Shout out to Martin Tech. That's the building we was at. Shout out to CAMMED. Shout out to PSI Springs. Shout out to Rip. Shout out to Chrysler. Shout out to Dre Money. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody. Looking at it. Yeah, man, that E85 kit coming next. Cause that's gonna give me out that 400 wheel. I need 25 more horsepower, 24 more wheel horsepower to get that extra 25 to get 400. So yeah, then I'll be down there pushing scat numbers. I'm trying to see if I should get this motherfucker wrapped or should I get it sprayed the Barbados color. So if anybody can help me with that in the comments, please comment, because I'm trying to get this motherfucker back looking right. So please help me out with that. This grill look terrible, so don't mind that. But yeah, it's your boy Dre Money on the Dre side, whatever they call me. This my side. Come fuck with me. I drop daily videos. Her, me and her, we be back and forth. We be doing the thing. We be cutting up through the city. I don't know if y'all can see my fingers in that. But yeah, man. What I say, it's your boy Dre Money on the Dre side. Like, comment, share, subscribe. This is my side, and I'm out. Peace.
Me and Dre on the flight locked in. Pull up land in that whip, you gon' get boxed in. Never pressed by the bitch, I hit niggas top 10s. On my way back to the city, bitch, I gotta clock in.
I mean, A at the O, yeah, we drop about 10. Freaky bitches at the B&B, I want the best friend. Say you wanna have fun.